Okay, here's a very quick video on how to take your part and actually make it a file that you can actually print on a 3D printer. Pretty simple. We've got our part out here. We go down to where it says Part 1. We right click. Some of you with different computers, this might look a little bit different. You're going to want to export. If it doesn't look like this for you, you may have to Google how to export on OnSHape or something like that and on your particular device. But anyway, so right click, choose export. This window is going to come up. It's a good idea to call it what it is. This is my practice nameplate, so I'll just say nameplate. You have to choose a format. We want STL. We're not even going to talk about all these other ones, but these are different ways to print 3D stuff. Step files, I will mention one thing. Apparently step files are easily shareable across a lot of different platforms, so sometimes we've been asked to use step. But we want STL. Don't worry about STL format. Units, we've always gone with inches. If you're having problems, you may need to change that to millimeters, but this should work. You're just going to say download. And OnShape automatically puts it into, there you can see it downloaded, but I'm going to click on show all. This is in Chrome, makes your life easier. I'm going to say show in folder, it's in my downloads. It's in my downloads. So there it is, nameplate. Once you have it there, you can print to your 3D printer.